Hello, this is Lucky English with Maria. How are you? I'm glad that you're here. So, I'm going to talk about these doctors. This was a doctor hundreds of years ago. Now, it's a very strange, a very unusual clothing and mask that the doctor is wearing. Why did they wear these masks and this clothing? This clothing and this mask that the doctors wore was to protect themselves. They wanted to protect themselves. Now, many people are using masks to protect themselves. And these doctors had this strange mask, and the mask had a face like a bird. And you know what birds have. Birds don't have noses. Birds have beaks. So it had a long beak. Now the doctors wanted to protect themselves from the air. They thought that the air was bad. They wanted to protect themselves from the bad air. Inside the beak, they put things, good smells, good smelling things. Things like cinnamon, you know, cinnamon. It smells good. Things like cinnamon, things like honey. And the doctors thought that this would protect them from the bad air, the air that made people sick. This was their idea. The doctors also carried a stick called a cane. Usually, people use a cane to help them walk. You carry the stick, the cane, and it helps you walk because you don't want to fall. But these doctors used the cane to keep people distant. No? It was like, don't come near me. And to give instructions, to say, do this, do that. So they tried to help people who were sick. We don't know if they helped people very much. Probably not. Medicine was not very good at that time. But now this is a popular costume. This strange bird doctor. Let me know if you have a question. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.